Hey guys, what's good, what's poppin'? It has been a minute. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna make it quick. Show you guys how I get this lovely protective style right here. I really usually don't like braids in myself, but I knew I wanted to try something different for the summer, so here I am. And I needed to be able to oil my scalp every day, but anyways, I was like, let's go ahead and record it, so that's what I did. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a part of my family yet and you enjoyed this video. And give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful, or just like it, or just want to show your man some love. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, and we are switching from the in-person voice to the voice memo. I don't know. But anyways, I'm looking crazy per usual. I haven't washed my hair in a minute. It's quite dirty and poofy, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wash it. And boom, we've got the camera magic. But I washed my hair with the Organics Cherry Blossom shampoo, and then went in with the conditioner, the Awapui and Ginger, which is by far my favorite, guys. Like, I love the scent of it. And I'm giving you Fresh Pride Rock over here. Simba Jr. And I did go ahead and clip my hair off camera, but here's the stuff that you will need. And I know it looks like I clipped a lot off my hair, but I promise you I didn't. It just shrinks very fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair really quick and start sectioning off. So I already did the majority of my head because you guys don't need to sit through that. But I pretty much just stuck with thicker squares, and I left out a couple pieces on purpose, which you will see why later. But I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up parting the rest of my hair. This was the hard part for me. First I go ahead and pop some gel on it, then some edge control, and then I just smooth that down. And really it doesn't matter what edge control and gel and stuff you use. I just use what I have in my cabinet. But then I'm going to go ahead and rubber band that. And you guys, these rubber bands are great, especially for natural hair, because they do not cause friction or tension on your hair. They will actually break themselves before they cause tension on your hair. I learned about these rubber bands from Natural85. I love her channel. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish doing that. Part it, gel it, edge control, smooth. It is easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. And like I did on the other side, I'm leaving out a couple of pieces on purpose. And you will see what I do with those later. I promise there's a method to the madness. And yeah, my back was not crispy, but I tried. But I'm gonna go ahead and section off some hair and then split that. Take out about 1/4 of it and fold it through. This part is probably so much better seen than heard, but I am going to repeat it again in case you need to see it again. But I sit that on top of the section and twist around the double layered piece or strand and wrap it completely around that section one time. And then I split the hair in that section and spread it out amongst those 3 sections that I have for the weave. And then I start braiding. And I hope you can see what I'm doing. I imagine that I was so much closer to the camera than I am. But that's okay, because I'm going to show you guys again in case you just need to see it again. And if you have any flyaways or wispies, you can just pop some edge control on it, or whatever you have. And we're going to braid that all the way down to the ends. And yeah, one more time for the people in the back. Section off the hair and spin the double layered section all the way around the strand. Split the hair and then just go ahead and start braiding. And I know you guys can see the rubber bands in my hair. Like I said, they do end up popping out, or like popping, like breaking. The point of the rubber bands is because I just need an easy way to start the braids, because without the rubber bands, I don't know, I just can't do it. But they're looking good so far. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding and speed that up because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to sit through that. I don't know about anyone else, but I have a short attention span sometimes. And yeah. And we are all done. Whoa. Guys, I was so proud of myself. But we're gonna move on to the next step because right now our braids are as stiff as a brick. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually steam the ends of it, because nobody likes their braids hard as a workout person's booty. Okay, that doesn't make sense. But it kind of does make sense. You guys know what I mean? You know the weight trainer, like super gym rat people with like still booty and like every part of their body, like no fat whatsoever. I don't know, I'm rambling. Anyways, I'm dipping those for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and then taking those out. And that pretty much just loosens up the braids and makes it flow more naturally instead of looking so stiff. And I do that to both sides. And look, it's already looking better. I look like I am out of it. Oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I did do with these little pieces that I left out. I just spray them, spritz them with some water, rub that in, take a little bit of my conditioner from earlier and pop that on the strand. And then also a bit of Eco Styler gel. Yes, I already know about the Eco Styler dilemma. I haven't read into it. Hush, I already know. But I'm just going to spin that around and leave that alone for a second, do it to the other side, and let my curls form. And of course, you already know we had to lay the babies, you know, put them to rest. Self-explanatory. I didn't want to go too in-depth over that. But then I like to take a little bit of hair oil. You guys have seen this in my videos quite a few times. But just go over my scalp with it, and it felt so good. That's why my face was like that. And the braids are basically done. You can leave it there if you like, or you can do like me. I wanted to add a bit of pizzazz, and I took these little clampy gold things, and they have like little rhinestones or gems on the inside, and I popped those in, and we're all done. So that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.